Hi friends, welcome to my new lecture titled The Future of Low-Code, No-Code Platforms with AI. Low-code and no-code platforms have revolutionized software development by making it accessible to a broader audience, including those with minimal technical expertise. Artificial intelligence is playing a crucial role in enhancing these platforms, pushing the boundaries of what can be achieved with minimal coding. My name is Artemakis, and in this presentation, we'll be exploring how these advancements impact both citizen developers and professional programmers, transforming the way applications are developed. But first, let me provide you with a brief overview of low-code, no-code platforms. Low-code and no-code platforms are designed to simplify the application development process, making it easier and faster for users to create software. Also, low-code platforms require minimal hand coding, while no-code platforms allow for application creation entirely through graphical interfaces with no coding required. These platforms democratize software development, allowing individuals without formal programming skills to contribute to the development process. Now, let's discuss the growing significance of AI in software development and how it is lowering the barriers to entry for developers. Artificial intelligence has the potential to automate and enhance various tasks within software development, from routine coding to offering intelligent recommendations. By integrating AI with low-code and no-code platforms, we can further lower the barriers to entry, making software development accessible to even more people. However, this integration also introduces challenges that need to be addressed, such as ensuring that AI-driven solutions are reliable and unbiased. We'll discuss these challenges a little bit later. Before discussing about the AI integration in low-code, no-code platforms, it is important to first discuss about the current state of these platforms. Low-code and no-code platforms have gained significant traction in recent years due to their ability to accelerate development and reduce costs. Key features like ease of use, rapid development speed, cost efficiency, and flexibility have made these platforms popular among a wide range of users. Despite their benefits, these platforms do have limitations, such as restricted customization options, challenges in scalability, difficulties in integrating with existing systems, and concerns about security. Having discussed about the current state of low-code and no-code platforms, now let's explore how AI integration enhances their capabilities, addressing some of their limitations. Firstly, AI can significantly enhance visual programming by predicting the next steps in a workflow and even generating code snippets based on the user's intent. Secondly, with intelligent component suggestions, AI can streamline the development process by recommending the most appropriate components based on the application's context. Finally, AI can also automate data modeling and integration, reducing the burden on developers and ensuring seamless connectivity with external data sources. Now let's focus on the advanced AI capabilities that will shape the future of low-code, no-code platforms, making development even more intuitive and efficient. Natural language processing, NLP, will allow users to describe functionality in plain language, which AI can then translate into code, making development even more intuitive. We already see this in action with AI-powered code assistants that use NLP to understand and suggest code in real time. AI-driven user interface design will help create layouts that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly user-friendly based on analysis of user preferences and behaviors. Moreover, predictive analytics powered by AI will enable developers to foresee and address potential performance issues before they arise, ensuring smooth and efficient application operation. Now let's discuss about the impact AI integration in low-code and no-code platforms can have on citizen developers. AI-enhanced low-code, no-code platforms empower non-technical users by reducing technical barriers, enabling them to create sophisticated applications without extensive coding knowledge. These platforms also help bridge the gap between business and IT, facilitating better collaboration and ensuring that the applications developed are closely aligned with business needs. While the benefits of integrating AI into low-code, no-code platforms are significant, there are also challenges that need to be addressed. As AI handles more data within these platforms, ensuring data privacy and security becomes increasingly important to protect sensitive information. Also, scalability and performance issues need to be carefully managed to ensure that AI-driven applications can grow efficiently and maintain high performance as demand increases. Finally, it is crucial that users retain control over their applications and have the ability to customize them to meet specific needs, ensuring the long-term success of these platforms. Besides the impact AI integration can have on citizen developers, let's also examine how the evolving capabilities of low-code, no-code platforms are redefining the role of professional developers. As low-code, no-code platforms continue to advance, professional developers are able to shift their focus towards solving more complex and innovative problems rather than spending time on routine coding tasks. Also, with AI taking on the responsibility of handling repetitive tasks and optimizing code, developers can work more efficiently and concentrate on creating sophisticated features that add significant value to applications. Given what we have discussed earlier, we can say that there is an increasing adoption of AI-enhanced low-code and no-code platforms, and this adoption is driven by specific market trends. Let's discuss about it. The adoption of AI-enhanced low-code, no-code platforms is accelerating across industries as businesses seek faster and more cost-effective ways to develop software solutions. Also, this growing demand for rapid application development is driving significant market growth, with more companies investing in these platforms. However, this adoption is not without challenges, including resistance to change from traditional developers, skill gaps in utilizing AI effectively, and concerns about the reliability of AI-driven development processes. Now, let's discuss about the main ethical considerations that arise with the integration of AI into low-code, no-code platforms, emphasizing the importance of responsible technology use. As AI takes on more development tasks, there is a real risk of job displacement, especially for traditional developers. It's crucial to ensure that this technological shift creates opportunities for upskilling and new roles rather than simply replacing jobs. Also, responsible AI use is essential to prevent biases in the applications we create. This includes ensuring that AI systems are designed and implemented with fairness and transparency in mind. Finally, maintaining accountability in AI-driven development processes is also vital. Developers and organizations must ensure that AI is used in ways that are ethical and that users can trust the systems being developed. Let's conclude this lecture by summarizing the key takeaways from our discussion on the future of AI-enhanced low-code and no-code platforms. In conclusion, the integration of AI into low-code and no-code platforms is revolutionizing the landscape of software development, making it more accessible and efficient for both citizen developers and professional programmers. These platforms are not only empowering users by lowering technical barriers, but also facilitating better collaboration between business and IT, ensuring that applications are closely aligned with business needs. As we move forward, it's essential to address the challenges and ethical considerations associated with AI. By doing so, we can ensure that the benefits of these advancements are realized responsibly and inclusively, paving the way for a more innovative and equitable future in technology. Thank you for watching this lecture. For more insights on AI, databases, programming, and tech trends, subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Stay tuned for more knowledge-packed content.